Sorry. I just realized. And the cheese star. The cafe was born with the idea of recreating a small community. Which it was like that from the very beginning because a lot of people got involved in the creation of the cafe, and Blue Door was part of that feeling for me.
Moving to a different country is always very challenging for most people. For asylum seekers and refugees, they have even harder challenges because they often are fleeing war in their country or fleeing very difficult circumstances.
So what we did today is we came up with a drink. So we mixed up some ingredients and we came up with a coffee, a variation of a coffee that's gonna go on the menu. And the money that that is collected through the sales of that drink are gonna go to Blue Door Education.
So I'm one of the asylum seeker in Malta, and we have many difficulties. Me to be in Malta, it wasn't my choice, but I crossed the Mediterranean Sea because of issues of my country. We had the civilian war since 2003. Actually, I have been here for 4 years. A lot of problems between the two army forces. So I quite forced to be out because it's unsafe.
When I arrived to Malta last year, when the war started in my country, it was difficult to stay there because when around you hear explosions every day. Then I decided that I need to leave, and of course when I left, I didn't know if my apartment will exist tomorrow or not. Even now I don't know this. Yes, now it's okay, but every day happens something. And it's very terrible situation.
Blue Door Education doesn't just teach English, it prides itself on being a center where people come together, and this kind of bringing together of community is really important for people's mental health and people's well-being, especially when they've gone through something so hard.
I meet Ukrainian girls there, I met another people, nice people, and it's very, very nice to go there every week and speak with somebody.
Blue Door, it's a place, it's part of home because it's not only a place of education, and I am very happy because of it. It's really helped me a lot.
Apart from the skills, there's the element of community which pulls people back and gives people so much more than just education.
Do I say what kind of or roast? Yes. And then I smash the